Well, there you go guys, the campfire's going. Now it's just about last light, which means I'm going to need a bit of artificial light, especially at night. You roll into camp at night, you set up, you got to cook some dinner for the crew. You know, you need to see what you're doing. So what I've done is, I've got this new product from Camp Boss. It's the Camp Boss CAMPLIGHT. So let me show you how easy this thing is to set up and just how bright it is. Alright, now that I've got it set up, let's turn this bad boy on. Now see, it has over 300 high intensity dual colour LEDs. Now that is a powerful white and a bug-free yellow for when the bloody mozzies come out. Now this thing is bright, it's 2,700 lumens of light output while only consuming 27 watts of 12 volt power. Now it's got a remote control and it's also controllable via a Bluetooth app on some phones. Now the BOSS CAMPLIGHT is not only handy out on your camping trips to light up the entire campsite, it's perfect for when you're working in the workshop to light up the engine bay. Now it has 3 different intensity modes, so you can cut down the power consumption as much as 25 to 50%. There's also plenty of power lead, up to 4.5 meters of extension cable, and you've got a couple of different options: cigarette socket or alligator clip straight to the battery. Now you will be impressed by the Camp Boss light because it's quality gear made from quality components.